Welcome back to We Here Now. I'm X. Let's get to it. So, happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. Let's just get straight on to the news. This is the weekend cap of this past weekend. Bitcoin conference turns political. At the Bitcoin 2025 conference in Las Vegas, crypto took a political turn as Republicans, including Trump advisors, VP JD Vance and Trump's sons, dominated the stage, steering discussions toward pro GOP crypto regulation. This raised concerns among traditional Bitcoiners about the future of decentralization. All right, moving on. Gemini files confidential United States IPO. I actually just seen this on Robinhood when I logged in. All right, so Gemini crypto exchange filed confidentially for a U.S. IPO, United States IPO, signaling increased confidence in crypto's legitimacy and signaling institutional demand as regulations stabilize. Yeah, that's Gemini. I tried to use Gemini, but my go-to is Kraken. Um, yeah, I just find Kraken to be easier to use, easier to put money on. Blah 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 blah. But yeah, so my go-to is Kraken for crypto trades. All right, look at this guy. Crypto liquidation surge after Trump Musk feud. A dramatic feud between Trump and Elon Musk triggered nearly 1 billion, as in with the B, $1 billion in crypto liquidations, driven by risk-off reactions. Excuse me, highlighting how political drama is shaking markets. It's been a long, even though we are in the 6th month. This has been a long year, just because of this guy. Just because of this guy, I just want to rob. I'm not even gonna. I guess all you can do is just laugh about it at this point. All right, Bitcoin holds strong above 105,000 amid the feud. Despite political noise and volatile swings, Bitcoin has successfully defended support above 105,000. Analysts see resilience in the face of pressure from Trump's feud with Musk. All right. Uh, yeah, that was the weeks and weekend recap of what happened over the past couple of days. Now, today I have some trades for you guys. And I tried to make it so that everything is on the 12 hour. Try to make it so that everything is on the 12 hour. Let's just pull that up. All right. So of course, gonna always look at Bitcoin. Well, it's already up there. You can always look at Bitcoin first. Also with my charting. I don't know if any one of you guys are following how I do my charting, but so on the 2 day, I have this 3 weighted uh, extended lines. That's what I put on the 2 day for my macros. Now for the 6 and the 12 hour, I use a regular trend line. And then if I decide to go to the 30-minute and 2 hour, That's when I use the regular trend line, but make it a dotted or a dash line, just so I can, just so it's easier for me to see what time frame is what time frame is what. All right. Uh, let's look at it on 12 hour. Um, I mean, we have this wedge right here, and then we also have a channel right there as well. So yeah, so as you see, it's breaking out. It has broken out. It is looking like it wants to do a little retest to this EMA. That's what it's looking like it wants to do. What it wants to do. How are we looking here? That's a clear reversal. That's a clear reversal. Since we're on the 2 hour and the 30 minute, these trend lines move quite often. These trend lines move quite often. I delete them every day. No, I don't like how this looks. No, I don't see anything. So, yeah, I don't see anything just yet. However, oh, that's odd. Could this be head and shoulders? I don't think so. Let me show you guys what I'm looking at. This is what I'm looking at right here. So no, that's definitely not a head and shoulders, but it's something. It's something. Need some more data. Need some more data. All right. So yeah, Bitcoin is definitely showing some buying pressure for the future. Looks like this is going to be a good week. A good week. Definitely looks like it's going to be a good week. What does the daily look like? Yeah, look at that MACD. Yeah. I mean, this is my breakout, This box is my breakout what do you call it? That's where I predicted breakout to be. I use this top of here to down here, I believe. Let me see. Come on, click on it. Yeah, so this candle, yeah. So yeah, I'm predicting 123 is next, possibly next week. Not within the next 5 days next week, but about 10 days, 14 days, we should be looking at 130, very close to 130 Bitcoin. Very close, very close. All right, let's move on. Let's move on to ICP. ICP. How did I do this? Next one. I think I went from the bottom up. All right, so yes, boom. Here we have ICP breaking out right here on the 12-hour. As you see, prices respecting this trend line very well. Very, very well. This trend line is a little off. I think that's good right there. Yeah, like that. So, and we have the volume to, I don't even know the word I'm thinking of. to confirm it. We have volume to confirm it as well. Now moving up, looks like we are looking for 3 white doves. It's a possibility that we might get 3 white doves right here. The MACD is showing bullish pressure as it is right now. Price did cross over the 2-day trend line, the macro trend line. Yeah, so now it looks like after the breakout, we will be retesting here. All the EMAs is right here too, so we might do a little retest. All right, XYO. So, definitely had a little breakout, well, a false breakout, or well, it really wasn't a false breakout. I had this in my notes because 12-hour. I believe when I did it, it was somewhere. Yeah, this is the candle. When I did my research, I was off this candle. Price did reject. However, we are still in this pattern. We are still in this pattern. Yeah, that's definitely coming down. I'm guessing like somewhere around in here. Let's see, let's just see real quick. Let's see if the little fib. I don't think I showed you guys the fib retracement tool much. Let's see. Yeah, what I say, up here or down here? Well, yeah, so it's looking like it's gonna be in here, and it's gonna bounce off this fair value gap. I seen something today that I'm gonna start looking at. I'm glad I'm doing it now. So it was a short on YouTube, basically saying when you use the fib and it's in this golden area zone with a fair value gap in there, that's a good area for a reversal to go back up. So yeah, so I'm gonna do this and see how well that turns out. Right on my notes. Check the 2-hour. Check 2-hour later on tonight. All right. Now I'm a little worried about everything else. I'm a little worried about everything else on a 12-hour. Ooh. I'm a little worried, guys. I'm a little worried. Now, with Bonk, I had in my notes 12-hour bounce, which is right there. You see the double bottom, W, boom, boom, boom. And it's bouncing off this fair value gap down here. And of course, you know, when we get too far away from the EMAs, we got to get back to them. But this candle makes me a little nervous. However, it did engulf a previous candle. But this is a bearish candle. Even though it's green, this is a very much bearish candle. So I want to see this price comes up to, somewhere up to 1,600 1600. Or was that 40? Yeah, that's 40 and 1600. This, once you get up to anywhere around here, this is still bullish for me. This is still bullish for me. What are we looking at here? Yeah, that's gonna dump down. Yeah, that's dumping down. All right, moving on to Toshi. Toshi, 12 hour. So another bounce as well. However, this is, yeah, it's looking just like bunk. Looking just like bunk. Guys, this might be a bad video for me today. This might be a bad one. However, I'm still gonna stick with it. Still gonna stick with it. Let's move on to Doge. Yeah. I mean, we definitely still got more time. Definitely still have more time. However, these trades will play out eventually. They will play out eventually. So it's not so much of a bad video. It's just that maybe these trades won't hit until Tuesday, or whatever, Tuesday morning. All right, let's get it. Let's get it. So Solana. Let's see. I don't think this is the right trend, to be honest. And the reason why I say that, because the volume did not spike. The volume did not spike. So yeah. Yeah, note to myself, I won't make this video early in the day. About an hour or two right before I make the videos. Like I used to do. I've been doing it like this for the past 2 weeks now. For the past 2 weeks. And this is the first time it's biting me. First time it's biting me. All right, Flare. Let's move on to Flare. I think this is Flare. Yes, this is Flare. Flare looks good. Stanley Grass look good. All right. All right, so yeah, just 12-hour waiting to break these trend lines. Waiting to break the trend lines. That's why I have my take profit box right here. TP box. I like that. TP box. All right, moving on to comp. Comp USA. So we see the clean trend pattern. So all of these cryptos are definitely in clean patterns. That's why I'm like, well, it's going to happen, unless we get some crazy news. While we here, is this the yes, this is the futures. Did we get anything? No, it looks the same. All right, moving on to Sui. Just look at it, guys. Just look at it. It look like it's trying to hold that 200-day EMA. Nope. So like I said, remember, 30-minute or 2-hour. That's the dotted line. Or is it the 30-minute? Nah. this could be it. I mean, it ain't the best, but we know that it's trading in this range. We know that it's trading in this range. So that's all we have for right now. Now this is showing a reversal sign on a 2-hour. And it's looking like it's bouncing off this 12-hour trend line. So again, we gonna see. We gonna see. Ondo. What you got? What you got? What you got for me, Ondo? The same. The same. The same. XRP. Yeah, cause this is the golf club I was telling you about the last video. This is the handle, the stick, the shaft, whatever you want to call it, and this is the club portion, the mallet portion, whatever you want to call it. And that trend line is just that trend goes up, as you can see. It's just a big double bottom on an angle, just a double bottom on an angle. All right, XRP, 12 hours. Again, double bottom on an angle. Double bottom on an angle, and then that's broken out. It's a long candle, boom. Over the trend line, boom. All right, what's the next? AVEX. Boom, 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 trend line. Let's see if that goes up a little bit. Well, nah, it ain't the best, but hey, we in there. We in here. And again, these are all on 12-hour time frames. Look how beautiful that was. So you know this is a good trend line. It's a real good trend line right there. All right, Blur. Oh, this is one of the ones. So we're going to see more about Blur. However, this trend line is valid. We're just looking for an actual breakout. All right, moving on. XTZ. 12 hour. That's that double bottom right there again. And this channel, it's all the same, guys. It is all the same. Last but not least, good old fart coin. Now, this can be a reversal. This can potentially be a reversal back up. That could potentially be it. So yeah, we just have to, just give it some more time. Ooh, wait a minute. How does that look? Yeah, I think I like that trend line a little better. Just so that these are touching up here. Because the goal is to get as many touch points as possible for a valid trend line. That's just how it is. All right. So yeah, so this one was a little different. I'm actually a little disappointed in myself for giving you guys this video. However, even though that the breakouts did not happen just yet, this video is still good. It's still giving you guys the trades that you guys need. yeah, I'm an open book. I'm an open book. I don't come off as I know everything. Now I'm just rambling. All right, I'm X. You've been watching We Here Now. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Reach out to me. Um, I'm X. I see you on the next one.